dafliad hir gan Wilson I Fawcett. Fawcett ar draws tuag at y postyn bella o sut ar y ddiar. A fethodd Ricky Watts y cyfle ar o'r postyn. Pontypridd yn cael ei dal allan, ond oedd Watts ddim yn cam sefyll. Fawcett oedd wedyn, ond hwnna'n gyfle uraidd. Wilson ar dafliad hir mewn tuag at y cwrt chwech. Jenkins ar ôl beniad o arbediad wych gan Ashley Morris. Wilson yn hyrddi'r dafliad na. Y symudiad yn wych gan Jenkins ar ôl beniad. Bron iawn ar ei hwffwrdd ar y blaen. Dyer. Codi ben mae Humphreys ar ras lawr yr asgell dde, mae ti cefn I Fôn. Humphreys gath ei maglu na ddo. O, Gicors Martin yn dimahi. Y dyfarnwr cynnyrthwyol dynodi, mae Humphreys di cael ei dynnu lawr gan Ashley Morris. A Brwsesi, 4 gôl yn barod y tymor yma. Erbyn yr en ben, Ashley Morris yn y gôl. Droed chwyth a Brwsesi yn rhoi hwlffwrdd ar y blaen. A gyda llai na 3 munud o'r 90 yn weddill. Edrych yn debygol bod y trippwynt yn mynd i'r gorllewin.
Ponty are fighting for their lives, and it's always going to be a tough game here. We'd have probably lost that game last season 1-0 after dominating again. But fair play to the boys, they stuck to the task, kept going, and it was a great bit of play by Rio Dyer, and Iori's done exceptionally well to win a penalty for us.
Da ni wedi dechrau dda, da ni wedi gorffen y dda. Gathon ni really spell ar 20 minutes in second half. A na fo, beth da ni wedi bod yn neud yn dda yn y gem a'n dwytha. Oedden ni'n tîm gwahanol heddiw. Da rhaid I fi camol nhw hefyd. Game plan oedden nhw wedi dod yma. Nath o weithio, oedden nhw'n curo y bel gyntaf a'r bel ail. Ia, oedd yn mynd I ddigwydd, oedd yn mynd I golli. Blaw, just fel ti'n dweud, y perfformiad. Blaw, da ni'n symud ymlaen. Da ni'n gwybod, mae'n dal I fod I fyny ni beth da ni am wneud. Fel dwi'n newydd dweud, da ni'n symud ymlaen yn sydyn.
You know, if we put one of them away early, I think we go on to win the game comfortably. But you know, unfortunately, we didn't get one, and it was one of those games that did look like it was going to pan out to be a 0-0. But Iori, great lad, you know, he hasn't played as much as what he probably wanted to, but coming in fantastic, won a pen, and I just done the easy job really.
Ydy, gen I ni 4 gwpan I fynd, so fel mae bob yn dweud, Bai Colwyn wrsos nesaf ag Aberystwyth wrsos wedyn dwi'n fel ti'n gwybod. So I fi, 2 gêm fawr, a gobeithio gan ni'r perfformiad da ni isio ag y canlyniad da ni isio.
If we do our job, then we'll finish 7th, but we know how tough it is going to be. You know, Barry next week, a very good side. They've only lost 1 in 10 games. Followed up by Colin Bay again, who are fighting for their lives, and a good football team, and then we've got to go to Penabont, and everybody knows how tough that is. So it's 1 game at a time, and hopefully everybody fit and ready for next Friday night.